and welcome back to Angie's Table. And so I was watching 나 혼자 산다 once again, and
I literally get all my inspiration from there.
Park Narae, who's a member of the cast, she made a dessert with Hwasa, and it's a white peach, and you fill it with Greek yogurt on a batter granola, and you sprinkle honey on it, and it looked amazing. So I wanted to make that with you guys, and also make some strawberry milk, and also a grapefruit that is literally just in a pool of condensed milk. How can that not be good? So let's go and check out these ingredients. At this time, we're gonna make the strawberry milk first. So prepare about 15 strawberries, but if you guys like the strawberry flavor more enhanced in your milk, then feel free to add more. And we're gonna cut these into smaller cube pieces. So yes, about this size. The only strawberry milk I know used to be Nesquik until I had it in Korea at a cafe. I was like, what is this? What is this fresh, not artificial tasting strawberry milk? Grace can attest to the amount of times I've had Nesquik. That would be the one thing I would grab from the gas station while Grace is getting Gatorade and Powerade and like hot Cheetos and we'll grab our sugar. Yes, quite a bit of sugar goes in here. Let's add this sugar in and we're gonna mash it up, but not too mashed up like syrup because then it'll take away the chunks of strawberry that I really like in there. To get just a quick mash with a masher. So if you guys look, we do have enough syrup from the sugar and the juice of strawberry, but we still have our chunks of strawberry and that's exactly what we want. Have a carafe here, so let's put our strawberry syrup in here and then add our milk on top of that. Scoop this in. Next, we are working on our peach Greek yogurt dessert. And this is pretty much it's basically just Greek yogurt with peaches on it, but you inverse it and it's peaches with Greek yogurt in it.
Like the peaches stuffed.
Yeah, with Greek yogurt. It just looks fancy because Korean cafes have really pretty plates. So when you have it on a batter granola with like honey drizzled all over it, it looks like a very expensive dish, but it literally just ends up being Greek yogurt with peach toppings and granola and honey is what it ends up being. So let's go ahead and see what is so special about this dish. We have a white peach. With this dish, make sure to get a white peach as opposed to a yellow peach because it looks prettier presentation wise. Cut the top off like this. I'm gonna cut a little bit more. And now we're going to take the core out. So I'm using a smaller spoon. I'm going to take this core out. Like that. I'm going to actually make it a little deeper so we can fit more Greek yogurt in it. And also the peaches that we got, it wasn't as soft because you're supposed to be able to peel off the skin. So if you can wait for it to get soft and then peel it, that'd be even better because it'll be also more sweet. But for now, if you guys have more firm peaches like us, then feel free to just carve out the skin to have a smoother appearance. Now we'll get some Greek yogurt and stuff it in the peach. Sprinkle our granola on the plate. And then inverse this and place it on top of the granola. Sprinkle some honey on there. And do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is... I forgot. Oh yeah. Today's word of the day is 분위기. And this means atmosphere or vibe or, you know, that feeling that you get when you see something or whatnot. So I use it a lot, and I thought this would be a good word for our cafe themed video because every time I walk into a cafe, I look at the vibe of it. I look at the 분위기 of it. So if I really like it, I'll say,
와, 이 카페 분위기 되게 좋다.
I say 분위기 a lot because for me, a lot of things are about the feelings I get or the vibes that I get. And you can actually also say, ooh, the vibe that I get from that person,
저 사람 분위기 되게 괜찮다.
which means, you know, the vibe that I get from them is like nice, is like good.
You get vibes.
Yeah, you get good vibes from them.
Good vibes.
Like me, but good vibes.
You're not talking.
So yes, today's word of the day is 분위기, which means atmosphere. And on to our grapefruit dish. And this is so easy. Grace wants to try something cool and it's failing. I'm so confused. Let's cut our grapefruit in half. And we're gonna make slits in this so that the milk can get all within the grapefruit, or around it too. Oh, looks like a good grapefruit. Let's get some condensed milk. Start with the strawberry milk. It's better than it being all blended. This gives it a little bit more character. I like things with pulp in it because I want to taste the actual fruit.
I think some people might think it's a tad bit sweet. I think kids would really like this. But for people that are a little older, maybe use like a tad less sugar.
Yeah, I can see that.
I'm the most curious about It's really good. I would totally eat it.
I like it.
It's simple too.
I think you're always used to a bowl of yogurt with toppings, right? But this does it the opposite way, which I think is a really good take on yogurt. It dresses it up a bit. Like if you have friends over for brunch and you had a plate of this out, it looks a lot fancier than you having a bowl of yogurt.
Like
You know what I mean?
presentation is really nice.
Okay, you wanna try this? I'm just gonna use a spoon. Or I mean, what am I having? Actually pretty good.
Balances
pretty
out
good.
The bitterness of like
The grapefruit. They're all really good.
grapefruit ones are really good.
Yeah. And it's actually not that it's like it was like a teaspoon of condensed milk that I poured over everything. Okay, maybe a tablespoon.
Yeah, it was like
Yeah, but it's really good.
I really like it.
If I had this for breakfast, it's like eating healthy, but also you won't hate breakfast for just eating fruits all the time because you add a little bit more of granola or add condensed milk and it makes it taste good, but you're still eating healthy, but it's okay. Like the extra sugars just work it off by working out. I think we should all try it out. Test it, try. We should all try it out because this is so good. So let us know in the comments if you guys have tried it out or are going to, or if you guys have seen this on 나 혼자 산다. And we will see you guys on our next video.